Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're going to be looking at a tool that promises to take your hairstyling to the next level, the Ovente LV13B Professional Curling Iron. This curling iron comes with heat-resistant gloves and promises professional-grade results without the professional price tag. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Ovente LV13B features a sleek black design with a 13mm barrel that's perfect for those tight, defined curls or waves. With a temperature that can reach up to 400 degrees Celsius, it's designed to give your hair that long-lasting curl, no matter your hair type. The non-stick, Teflon-coated barrel is a standout here, ensuring that your hair glides smoothly, preventing any snagging or pulling, which can be a big issue with some lower-end irons. What's even better is that the barrel heats up quickly, allowing for a fast styling routine, which is a must for those busy mornings. One of the biggest perks of this curling iron is the heat-resistant gloves it comes with. These gloves not only provide a layer of protection from the heat, but also ensure you have a steady grip while curling, minimizing any accidental burns. It's a feature that makes styling safer and easier, especially for beginners. Now let's talk about real-world use. Personally, I found that the Ovente LV13B was incredibly easy to handle thanks to its lightweight design and ergonomic revolving handle. The handle allows you to easily maneuver the curling iron, making it effortless to get those perfect curls. The best part? The lightweight feel. It's not bulky or heavy like some other curling irons I've used, which means you won't get fatigued holding it for long periods. On the flip side, I did notice that it can take a bit longer to reach maximum heat compared to some higher-end irons, but that's not a deal breaker. Once it reaches 400 degrees Celsius, though, it holds the temperature consistently, which is critical for achieving the perfect curl. Another thing to mention is that, while the barrel is non-stick, I did notice that some residue built up over time. However, it was easy to wipe clean, so no big deal there. When it comes to performance, this curling iron does a great job at delivering long-lasting curls. I tested it out on a couple of different hair types, thick, fine, and slightly textured hair, and it worked well on all of them. Whether I was aiming for loose beach waves or tight, more defined curls, the LV13B delivered on both fronts. The curls held up throughout the day without needing a touch-up. As for value for money, the Ovente LV13B is very reasonably priced, especially considering the performance it delivers. It's an affordable option for those looking for a professional-grade curling iron without spending too much. Compared to some high-end curling irons, this one definitely offers great value for the price, although it doesn't quite match up in terms of advanced features like adjustable heat settings or automatic shutoff. In terms of build quality, the Ovente LV13B is solid. The construction feels sturdy, and the Teflon-coated barrel does a great job of preventing hair damage. As for the heat-resistant gloves, they're a nice bonus, but they do feel a bit generic. Still, it's a thoughtful addition for anyone who's worried about burns. Customer support for Ovente has generally been responsive and helpful based on online reviews, though I didn't have any direct issues to test it myself. It's reassuring to know the company stands behind its products. Now, as for alternatives, there are certainly other curling irons out there at similar price points, but few offer the same combination of features, like the heat-resistant gloves and non-stick barrel at this price. For those on a tighter budget, the Remington Pro 1-inch curling iron could be worth checking out, as it's another affordable option that still performs well. So what's the final verdict? The Ovente LV13B Professional Curling Iron offers solid performance at a fantastic price. It's great for anyone who wants to create beautiful curls without breaking the bank. If you're someone who styles your hair regularly and needs a reliable tool, this curling iron will do the job well. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the description box for the link to purchase. If you've used this curling iron, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.